Hi, my name is Giuliano Prieto, a general engineering contractor with Prieto Engineering in Los Angeles, California. And today, I will show you how to use a power washer. A power washer is also known as a pressure washer. The reason why it's called a pressure washer is that the engine and compressor typically generates more power than a typical garden hose. Typical applications may vary. Most people use them for cleaning. Cleaning from driveways to walkways, up the sides of buildings and homes, and under eaves. The power washer consists of the main unit, which houses the engine and the compressor. The compressor generates high pressure water through the line and into the gun. The gun has a location for various different types of nozzles. The nozzles have different spray patterns. Some are more open and some are more narrow. The narrow ones tend to shoot more direct and have a higher concentration of power over a smaller area. Typically, they're used for buildup on driveways or things that need to be removed at a smaller concentration. Now we'll show you how to use the power washer. The first thing to do on the power washer is to set the machine in a relative distance where the hose that's connected to the gun can be used. Once you have the machine set in place, connect the hose into the machine and then connect the other end into the gun. Once this is set down the gun and turn on the compressor. The last part, prior to using your power washer, is to ensure that you have a water source connected to your machine. Now that you have a water source connected to the machine and the machine is turned on, you are now ready to turn on your water source and begin using your power washer. Giuliano Prieto with Prieto Engineering, and I thank you for watching my video on how to use a power washer.